Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to remove a green screen background using CapCut Mobile. And guess what? You don't have to worry yourself about subscribing to CapCut Pro. You can achieve the same effect even with the free version of CapCut. Let me quickly show you how to do that. So, let's dive right in. Alright, the first thing to do is to open up CapCut, and once that is done, tap on New Project. Now choose the background video or image you want the animation to appear on. You can do a quick preview of the video, and once you have done that, tap Add to bring it into your timeline. Now before moving on, tap on Format and set your resolution to 1080p at 30 frames per second. This is perfect for YouTube uploads. Going higher increases the file size, which isn't always necessary unless you are shooting for Ultra HD. So 1080p and 30 frames per second, great quality, manageable size. Now scroll through the bottom menu and tap on Overlay. Select the clip with the green screen background and tap Add. It will be imported directly as an overlay on your main video. You can now drag the clip's edges to adjust the start and end point as needed. Now here's the fun part. Tap on the overlay, scroll the bottom menu and select Remove BG. In some other versions of CapCut, you will see Cut Out instead of Remove BG. Both are the same. So click on Remove BG or Cut Out as the case may be and select the chroma key. You will see a color picker tool. Tap it and hover over the green background in the preview window. Nothing changes immediately, but don't worry. Now select the intensity slider or the strength slider for older versions of CapCut and gently increase it until the green disappears. However, be careful not to go too high. You want to keep the rest of the video crisp and untouched. You can add a bit of shadow for depth or leave it at 0 for a cleaner look. Now hit play and preview your result. Looks good, right? If you want to take this a little step further, you can achieve the same effect, that is removing green screen from backgrounds using CapCut for PC or using Adobe Premiere Pro. Or better yet, you can create this exact custom animated subscribe button from scratch for your own YouTube channel using just Adobe Premiere Pro. To learn all of these, go ahead and click on any of the videos right here on the screen and you're good to go. So, we've successfully removed a green screen background using only CapCut Mobile. No pro plan required. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tip from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.